O fairest flower, no sooner blown but blasted, soft silken primrose fading timelessly, summer's chief honour if thou hadst outlasted bleak winter's force that made thy blossom dry. For he being amorous on that lovely dye that did thy cheek envermale, thought to kiss, but killed, alas, and then bewailed his fatal bliss. For since grim Aquilo his charioteer by boisterous rape the Athenian damsel got, he thought it touched his deity full near, if likewise he some fair one wedded not, thereby to wipe away the infamous blot of long uncoupled bed, and childless eld, which mongst the wanton gods a foul reproach was held. So mounting up in icy periled car, through middle empire of the freezing air he wandered long, till thee he spied from far. There ended was his quest, there ceased his care. Down he descended from his snow-soft chair, but all unwares with his cold kind embrace unhoused thy virgin soul from her fair biding place. Yet art thou not inglorious in thy fate? For so Apollo, with unweeting hand, whilom did slay his dearly loved mate, young Hyacinth born on Eurotas' strand, young Hyacinth, the pride of Spartan land, but then transformed him to a purple flower. Alack, that so to change thee winter had no power. Yet can I not persuade me thou art dead, or that thy corse corrupts in earth's dark womb, or that thy beauties lie in wormy bed, hid from the world in a low delved tomb. Could heaven for pity thee so strictly doom? Oh no! For something in thy face did shine above mortality that showed thou wast divine. Resolve me then, O soul most surely blessed, if so it be that thou these plaints dost hear. Tell me, bright spirit, where'er thou hoverest, whether above that high first-moving sphere, or in the Elysian fields, if such there were. O say me true if thou art mortal wight, and why from us so quickly thou didst take thy flight. Wert thou some star which from the ruined roof of shaked Olympus by mischance didst fall, which careful Jove in nature's true behoof took up, and in fit place did reinstall? Or did of late earth's suns besiege the wall of sheeny heaven, and thou some goddess fled amongst us here below to hide thy nectared head? Or wert thou that just maid who once before forsook the hated earth? O tell me sooth, and camest again to visit us once more? Or wert thou Mercy, that sweet smiling youth? Or that crowned matron, sage white-robed Truth? Or any other of that heavenly brood let down in cloudy throne to do the world some good? Or wert thou of the golden-winged host, who having clad thyself in human weed, to earth from thy prefixed seat didst post, and after short abode fly back with speed, as if to show what creatures heaven doth breed, thereby to set the hearts of men on fire, to scorn the sordid world, and unto heaven aspire? But oh, why didst thou not stay here below, to bless us with thy heaven-loved innocence? To slake his wrath whom sin hath made our foe, to turn swift rushing black perdition hence, or drive away the slaughtering pestilence, to stand twixt us and our deserved smart. But thou canst best perform that office where thou art. Then thou, the mother of so sweet a child, her false imagined loss cease to lament, and wisely learn to curb thy sorrows wild. Think what a present thou to God hast sent, and render him with patience what he lent. This if thou do, he will an offspring give, that till the world's last end shall make thy name to live.